Hi students, this is Partho sir. Today I will discuss the subject formal language and automata theory, and under this subject I will discuss the topic finite state machines, that is FSM. Okay, so today's problem is design a FSM which checks whether a given decimal number is even or odd. Now by using FSM we will check whether a given decimal number is even or odd. Okay. Now so before going to the problem we have to take some prerequisites. Okay. Now first we will think that there will be two states, one for even and the second one is for odd. So there will be two states, one is for even and the other is for odd. Now symbols or digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 indicate that they are even numbers. Okay, because if we divide these numbers by 2 we get remainder as 0, and some other numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these numbers indicate the odd numbers. Okay, now this is the state table. So this is the state table. This is the state table. These are the various states. This is Q0, which is known as the starting state or initial state. This is Q1 state, which represents the odd number state, and this is Q2, that which represents the even number states. Here this arrow symbolizes the initial state, and this double circle like Q2 represents the final or accepting state. Now suppose you are getting 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 as input, what will be the state transition? Suppose you are in state Q0 and you are getting these as input, then the state transition will be Q0 to Q0. Okay, suppose you are in state Q1 and you are getting these as 0 to 8 as input, then you will move to Q2 state. Suppose you are in state Q2 and you are getting these 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 as input, then you will move to Q2. Now for 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, suppose you are in state Q0, if you get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 as input, you will switch to Q1 state. Suppose you are in Q1 state, you are getting 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 as input, you will move to Q1 state. Suppose you are in Q2 state, you are getting 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 as input, you are moving to Q1 state. Okay, clear? Now these are the assumptions. Sigma, that is the input symbols. These are the various input symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the possible inputs, because you have to check whether a given decimal number is even or odd. So any decimal number can be created using these symbols 0 to 9. Now what are the states? That is Q0, Q1 and Q2. These are the possible states. Delta is the transition of states that I have described in this table. Q0 is the starting state or initial state. Capital F is the final state, that is Q2. Okay. Now this is the machine function. Okay. How we can describe machine function? Here 1 represents the even and 0 represents the odd. Now Q0, if it gets 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it will go to Q1 state, that is even state, so it is even. Q1, if it gets 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it will go to Q2, so this is 1. And Q2, if it gets 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it will go to Q2, so even state, so this will be also even. Okay, now Q0, if it gets 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it will go to Q1 state, so odd, so it will be represented by 0. Q1, if it gets 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it will go to Q1, that is odd state, so it will be represented by 0. Q2, if it gets 13579 as input, it will go to Q1 state, that is odd, so it is 0. Now this is the transition diagram that can be drawn by the help of this state table. Okay, Q0 if it gets 0 to 4 6. Now here we have drawn three states, Q0, Q1 and Q2. Now from the state table we can easily see Q0 if it gets 0 to 468, it will go to Q2 state. Q0 you are in state Q0, but you are getting 13579 as input, you will move to Q1 state. Now suppose you are in state Q1 and you are getting 13579 as input, self loop will be to Q1 state. Now you are in state Q1 but you are getting 0 to 468 as input, so you will move from Q1 to Q2 state. Okay, now you are in state Q2, you are getting 13579 as input, you should move to Q1 state. Now suppose you are in state Q2 and you are getting 0 to 468 as input, so you should move to Q2 state. So in this way we can draw the transition diagram. Now next we will check whether a given number, here we have taken this number 246710321, whether it is an even number or odd number, we will check. Now according to the transition diagram, Q0, now it is getting 2 as the next input, so it should move to Q2. The next input is 4, so it should move to Q2. Next input is 7, next input is 6, so it should move to Q2 according to the transition diagram, the state table or transition diagram. Okay, now it is getting now we are in state Q2, it is getting next input is 7, so it should move to Q1. Now next I'm in Q1 and next input is 1, so it should move to Q1. Now I am in state Q1 and I am getting 0 as input, so I should move to Q2. Okay, so Q1 I am in state Q1 and I am getting 2 as input, so I should move Q2, and finally the next input is 1, so I should move to Q1. So since it is in Q1 state, so the number is odd. So in this example we can check whether the number is even or odd. Okay, clear? Okay, thank you students. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. We will come to the next we will come with the next new problem in the next class. Thank you.